This is us putting on lotion. Mommy and daughter time. Right? Rub your hands together.
Guess what
Now
she
rub
did?
it up your arm.
Tiffany, guess what she did?
Yep. Now get the other arm. Now do like this. Go.
You know how you always put lotion on, like,
Put it in your
everywhere?
hair.
Like, after she gets out of the bath, she puts lotion on? She put some right here.
Look, finish putting on your face. Go. Let's go. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hold on, do it on your cheeks. Don't do your eyes like that. Put it on your cheeks. Say cheese. Say I'm a chipmunk. Smile. Oh, you didn't rub your lotion another way. That is adorable. Look, rub it in your arms. Don't lick it. It's nasty. You have some beautiful eyes. You get your mama's eyes, but not her eye color. You want to put some on your feet? Put some on your legs. Hold on, wait. Let mama see. Put some, rub it on this leg too. Say more, please. Say please.
Please.
Say more.
Mom.
Say more, please.
Please.
More,
Mom.
please.
Please.
Alright. We put some right here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then rub some right here as well. Now rub it in your legs. Yeah, rub it on your face. You got a lot on here. You licking me? Why are you licking me? Huh? Ew, it doesn't taste so good, does it? Rub it in mommy's hand. Mommy, see your hands. Rub it in. Rub it in this one. Uh-oh, you got lotion on. Go this. Look at mommy go. 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 Bleh. Look at mommy. Go this. Ha ha. Look.
Ha-ha.
Say, look, wait. Say ha ha. Go. Ha ha.
Ha-ha.
Do it again. Say ha ha. Ha ha. Say ha ha.
Oh, my papa.
Nuh-uh. Come here. Elizabeth. Woo, you got a hairy back, girl. Where did all this hair come from? Huh? Where did all that hair come from? Look at that little lady. She is obsessed with keys and dirty feet. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna eat your toe. I'm gonna eat it. Can't kick me. I'm gonna eat this foot too. You got some dirty feet, but I don't care because you're my baby. And I don't care about dirty feet. Get that toe. I'm gonna get it.
It's mommy's.
Is that my feet? Look at them dirty feet.
Huh?
Them dirty feet. You want to listen to music?